Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8007001e. Such type of error code is also one of many Windows Update error codes, and this error indicates that the update failed to install due to insufficient space. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Right click on Start button, choose Settings, and under System Settings, go to Troubleshoot section. Click on it, choose other troubleshooters, and here execute the command run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Let the window complete the process. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. The second workaround is run SFC scan now to check any corrupted file system in your PC. Open launch command prompt Windows and type sfc /scan now and press enter. Let the window scan your system and any corrupted file system. It will repair them accordingly. Also execute DISM tool to scan health, check health and restore health. Apply these codes also one by one followed by enter key in command prompt Windows, and it will also check any errors and fix them accordingly. Execute this command one by one in command prompt Windows and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And check whether your Windows Update error resolved or not. If not, apply system restore. Open run command Windows and here type rstrui to launch system restore Windows. Here you may choose the recommended restore point, select the option to and otherwise choose a different restore point. Click on next and choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event, or you may confirm your restore point. Otherwise you have option to choose recommended restore point. Select it and click on next. It will restore your system. That's all.